The value of our partnership with CANDU, it's a natural fit given our shared interests in nuclear science and our participation in Canadians for CANDU. We are training the next generation of skilled engineers who will be ready for careers in the growing field of nuclear energy, science, and medicine. Experiential learning and industry partnerships are critical to this work.
We are a people business, right? At the end of the day, we have nuclear plants that operate. They get engineered, constructed, managed, operated, maintained through people. That's why the partnership is so incredibly important. By partnering with McMaster, opening up two-way dialogue about what it is that we are trying to do in the nuclear industry, what types of people we need from McMaster, and how we can work together, collaborate, so when we get students coming out of here, they're ready to go to work. Our vision is about engineering a better future for the planet and its people. That people component is critically important.
So I picture this as the home for first-year engineering students. The 3D printers, the laser cutters, those are really cool, but I think what's really important is that it's a collaborative space. I get really excited is that the students are going to be working together on real projects and learning from each other.
3, 2, 1.